and welcome to Ramadan Recipes, where we make savoury and sweet dishes, especially for your sehri and for your iftar. Today I'm going to be making a really traditional Lebanese dish. It's a couscous dish and it's a zingy salad that's eaten during every meal in Ramadan. The ingredients that you need to make the couscous dish, which is called tabbouleh, include olive oil, salt, some cayenne pepper, and you can use sumac instead if you prefer, some couscous, tomatoes, flat leaf parsley, green peppers, onion, fresh mint, lemon juice, and some water. So here are the instructions on how to make the tabbouleh. So to make the tabbouleh, I'm going to take a bowl and add in the couscous. I'm now going to add in some water, so enough to be able to cover the couscous. And now couscous really absorbs a lot of fluid, so it's perfectly fine to add a little bit more than necessary. And then I'm going to leave it for around 2 hours, so 1 to 2 hours, and to make sure everything absorbs fully. You can actually add in some stock instead of water, but I'm going to just leave it with water. I'm now going to leave that aside, and then I'm going to make the dressing, which is the lemon juice, like so. Then add in the spices. You can use either cayenne pepper or you can use sumac if you wanted to, and that adds a little bit more flavour, and also some salt. And then give that a quick mix. So I'm going to give that a stir and let all the flavours infuse. So I'll leave that until all the couscous has really absorbed all of the fluid as well, and made sure it's really fluffy in texture. That'll take about 1 to 2 hours. So we'll come back and have another look at that. So I've now allowed the couscous to really absorb all of the fluid, and you can see that it's really fluffy. So you can see that it's become much more softer as well in texture. Now I'm going to add a little bit more oil to the dressing. So a tiny little drizzle here. And then give that a mix. So make sure that all of the ingredients are really well blended. And I'm going to add that to the couscous here. So drizzle that around, toss that in. Make sure there's not lumps in the couscous. And I'm going to add in the other ingredients, so the tomatoes. So give that a stir. I'm also going to add in the green peppers. And then stir that again. And this is fantastic for all the vitamins and minerals it contains, so a really colourful salad. And it's really filling as well, so a lot of protein and fibre in the couscous itself. Add in the other ingredients, so the mint. And fresh mint is amazing for making your stomach settle and stopping you from getting any indigestion as well. So add in the flat leaf parsley. And again, this is actually brilliant for stopping any water retention and bloating. And we're going to add in the onions as well. Make sure you really stir that in. And then it's ready to serve. Tabbouleh has a lot of nutritional value. This is a salad that's packed with a lot of fibre from the couscous, as well as the vitamins and minerals from the vegetables and the herbs, and it also has the vitamin C from the lemon juice. Now this is something that's eaten really regularly in Beirut during the Ramadan time, and for a reason. This is something that keeps you full for longer during the fasting period, and also keeps you energized for longer as well. Let's have a recap, the ingredients that we need to make tabbouleh. Here's a reminder of the instructions on how to prepare tabbouleh. Add the couscous to a bowl and then add enough water to cover the couscous. Leave that to absorb for at least 1 to 2 hours. And in a separate bowl, add the lemon juice, the spices and the salt and give that a mix. Then add a splash of olive oil and mix again. When the couscous has absorbed all the fluid, drain and then make sure you add the lemon juice mixture to the couscous, give that a stir and then add the remaining ingredients and stir again. Stir thoroughly and then serve with meat or vegetable dishes. So I hope you've enjoyed making the tabbouleh with me today. It's something that's eaten really regularly in Beirut during the Ramadan period, and for a reason. It's perfect for a quick preparation time for iftar and for sehri, and it's really refreshing as well, packed with vitamins and minerals, perfect for all the way throughout Ramadan.